Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 15th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in Apple technology and beyond. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. A recent study by 6 Apple engineers has shed light on the limitations of large language models, or LLMs, particularly in their reasoning capabilities. The research, titled GSM Symbolic: Understanding the Limitations of Mathematical Reasoning in Large Language Models, highlights how these models struggle with logical reasoning, often relying on probabilistic pattern matching instead. The study used a modified version of the GSM-8K benchmark, which includes over 8,000 grade school-level math problems, to evaluate various state-of-the-art LLMs. By altering names and numbers in the problems, researchers observed accuracy drops between 0.3% and 9.2% across different models, underscoring their fragility. Moreover, when irrelevant information was introduced into the questions, the models experienced significant performance declines, with accuracy dropping from 17.5% to 65.7%. This suggests that LLMs do not truly understand the problems, but mimic reasoning based on their training data. The study reinforces previous findings that LLMs lack formal reasoning capabilities and are prone to errors when faced with unexpected variations in prompts. Experts argue that true advancements in AI will require integrating genuine symbol manipulation, akin to traditional programming, to overcome these limitations. The research underscores the illusion of understanding that LLMs present, as they can appear knowledgeable without possessing true comprehension. In related news, Apple's AI research team has conducted a study evaluating various leading models, including those from OpenAI and Meta, focusing on their performance in mathematical reasoning tasks. The findings revealed that minor changes in question phrasing could lead to substantial discrepancies in the model's answers, raising concerns about their reliability in logical consistency. The research pointed out that LLMs often rely on pattern matching rather than true logical reasoning. For instance, when irrelevant details were added to a math problem, models like OpenAI's O1 and Meta's Llama produced incorrect answers, demonstrating their fragility. The study concluded that there was no evidence of formal reasoning in these models, which instead exhibited behavior consistent with sophisticated pattern recognition. Apple has unveiled its first 8K 3D cinema camera, designed specifically for creating content for its Vision Pro headset. This innovative camera can capture high-resolution 180-degree video and record spatial audio, enhancing the immersive experience for viewers. The development of the camera is based on a patent application from 2021, which described a dual-sensor system aimed at capturing spatial content. The new camera features 2 large sensors, likely micro Four Thirds in size, which are significant for a stereoscopic camera. Apple has collaborated with Academy Award-winning filmmaker Edward Berger to produce a short film titled Submerged, using this new camera, showcasing its capabilities. The camera is designed to facilitate the creation of Apple Immersive Video, a new storytelling format that allows filmmakers to produce 3D video in 8K resolution. However, details regarding the camera's specifications, pricing, and availability have not yet been disclosed. While the camera is not currently available for public purchase, it is intended for filmmakers looking to create content specifically for the Vision Pro. The article notes that the camera's design and functionality are reminiscent of other high-end immersive cameras, but it emphasizes that Apple may not release it to the general public. The introduction of this camera marks a significant technological advancement in filmmaking, although some critics express concerns about the social implications of using VR headsets for movie viewing. Ghostpost is a new anonymous social media app designed for users to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of exposure. The app allows users to share advice, vent, or simply communicate what's on their minds in a user-friendly, ad-free environment. Customization options include screen names, font styles, and text colors, along with the ability to share personal photos or choose from preloaded images. Ghostpost emphasizes connectivity, offering users the ability to filter posts by distance, gender, and age, facilitating both local and global interactions. Communication options include text messaging, voice chat, and photo sharing, enhancing user engagement. The latest update, version 1.1.0, introduced features such as flagging posts, improved image viewing, and a last sent message indicator in chats. The app is free to download, with optional in-app purchases for access to additional features. Privacy practices are in place, with data collected not linked to user identities, including location and user content. Ghost Post is compatible with iOS 17.2 or later and is rated for users aged 17 and older due to mature content. The app is developed by James Rutkowski and aims to provide a safe space for open communication. Apple is set to transform its AirPods Pro 2 into affordable hearing aids for individuals with mild to moderate hearing loss, following FDA approval of new software. This innovative software, named Hearing Aid and Hearing Test, will allow users to test their hearing and customize sound settings directly through their AirPods. The AirPods Pro 2, which many already own, will soon be able to enhance hearing capabilities, making them a dual-purpose device. Users can adjust volume, tone, and balance to improve their auditory experience for about 5 to 6 hours on a single charge. The free software is expected to be released later this fall for compatible iPhones and iPads running iOS 18 or later. The AirPods Pro 2 retail for $249, with potential discounts available at various retailers. This development could significantly impact the 30 million American adults experiencing some level of hearing loss, providing them with a convenient and cost-effective solution. The integration of hearing aid functionality into widely used consumer technology marks a significant advancement in accessibility for those with hearing impairments. Bijou.fm is a minimalist client designed for Last.fm users, offering a sleek interface to track and enjoy music statistics from Last.fm and Spotify. The app provides notifications for changes in the user's top 50 charts and alerts for personal scrobbling milestones. Users can visualize their music data through various chart types, including pie charts and bar charts, and utilize features like the lyrics emojifier and bio summarizer, which are powered by AI. The app allows for in-depth analysis of listening habits based on gender and nationality, and users can play their charts using Spotify Premium or Apple Music. Additionally, Bijou.fm enables users to revisit their listening history by exploring specific years or custom time ranges and compare their music tastes with others. The app offers over 10 color themes inspired by art history in global cities, along with customizable home screen widgets. It is available on multiple platforms, including Apple TV, and requires iOS 16.4 or later for mobile devices. The app is free to download, with optional in-app purchases for premium features. Privacy practices include data tracking and diagnostics, as indicated by the developer, Doll & Scher. The latest version, 2.27, was released on October 13th, 2024. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.